I know you haven't seen me in a hot minute, but I'm going to Spain to visit my best friend. And I was like, wow, I wish I made videos so I could make a vlog. And then I realized, wait, I can make a vlog. So that's what we're doing. I will be vlogging my trip, but for this video, I just wanted to do a prep and pack with me type of videos because honestly, I love watching them and I've been watching them in preparation for this trip. So that's what we're doing. And I have to get my nails done. So that's number one. They honestly don't look that bad, but one of them chipped. So I cut it. So now it's shorter. And I also will be there for 10 days. So I just want to get them freshly done as well as I think a pedicure. Yeah. So I've actually never been to Spain before. I have been to Europe. I've been to Poland many times because my family lives there, but this will be my first time going to Spain. And I'm going to Madrid because that's where she lives right now. And she has been living there for like 6 months, I think it's been, which is crazy. But I'm just so excited to see her again. Her name's Alex, by the way. And it's an amazing excuse for me to go to Spain. So like, why not? I checked in for my flight last night. It departs at 10:35 p.m. today. It's 2:16 right now. And the boarding starts at 9:50. I always like to be there. I mean, at least, hopefully, by boarding. We'll see. No, I'll be there early. I always like to be early. Yeah. So the nail salon I go to does accept walk-ins, but I'm just going to call them just to make sure that I can come in right now. It's about 2, so I feel like they shouldn't be that busy. I've just been working from home today and doing some last minute packing, but I will show you guys what exactly I'm bringing.
Oh, can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to come in for a pedicure and manicure.
How long did it take you to get here?
It would take me 20 minutes.
Hold on, we'll see you a little bit.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
I actually haven't decided what color right now. This is like a light pink. And on my toes, I have like a white chrome, which I don't think I will do again. I'm like not loving the chrome. But I think I will do red on my toes and a different light pink on my nails. Like maybe more, I don't know. It's a light pink. A light pink is a light pink, but we'll see. Okay, I don't want to be late because I told them I would be there in 20 minutes, so let's go. Wearing a super casual outfit to the nail salon, just tank top, sweatshirt, zip up hoodie, black pants, and flip-flops. Even though I get gel, technically I don't need to wear flip-flops, but I just want to. Bringing my little Coach bag. This is actually the bag I'm bringing with me on the trip. Okay, got my cards, got my Omnipod, got my lip gloss. Always make sure my lippies with me. I don't know, I feel so much better with it. This one is the Pow Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment, and I wear it with a lip liner. Also, guys, be proud, I cleaned my entire room when I was packing, and it looks so good. And I love leaving with a fresh, tidy room. I feel like that's the best feeling ever, because then when I come back, it will be so nice. So I'm just so proud that I did that. Okay, so I just got back in my car, and guys, they look so good. The color is Let's Be Friends by OPI, and I got Big Apple Red for my toes, so I'm so happy. And honestly, I like them at this length. They were getting kind of long. Glad that one of them broke, so then the rest of them can match. Can I please get a medium iced coffee with 3 hazelnut and 2 cream? That's it. Thank you. Okay, I had to stop at Dunkin' to get it one last time before I won't have Dunkin' in Spain. Actually, I think they do have a Dunkin', but I think it's more focused on donuts. I know Alex was telling me they have Dunkin', and she was showing me all the photos of the donuts, and they look so much better than the donuts we have here. Honestly, the donuts at Dunkin' are not good, but their coffee's really good. I get the same thing every time, 3 hazelnut shots and 2 cream, and it honestly hits every time. I'm definitely more of a Dunkin' girly than a Starbucks girly, but that also could be because I'm in Massachusetts. Now I'm going to head home and show you guys some packing essentials, show you what I packed, everything I'm bringing, and then I have to shower. I think I was planning on washing my hair. I don't know if I have time, but we're kind of on a time crunch now, but we'll see. And I have to redo my makeup, and yeah, but I already have my outfit and everything picked out, and everything's ready to go. Okay, back in my room. Welcome to my packing situation. I have my personal item right here, which has a bunch of little zippers inside, so it's perfect for organizing everything I need on the plane. Here I have my carry-on, which is actually a Victoria's Secret suitcase that I got off of eBay. This is my actual checked bag, which it's pretty big, but I have most of my stuff in this one. I still need to put my laptop in my personal item and the charger in the little charger case that I'll show you. And obviously I can't forget this, my passport, which actually has a really cute pink cover on it. So I'm going to put this pink bag. It actually has a perfect side pocket for it that it's convenient to use at the airport when I just need to get my passport quickly. And I still need to pack my makeup actually. So I always keep my makeup in this bag, and I have my 2 little hair clips on there. Also, I did buy this Lash Sensational Maybelline mascara, which I used to use and I thought I liked it, but I used it today and I noticed there were streaks like at the bottom of my eyes, so it just runs. And before I was using this Tartelette XL tubing mascara, so I think I'll actually just bring this one instead, even though I bought this especially for this trip, but that's fine. I just don't want to deal with that. So I will be bringing this Tarte one. Also, I recently got this eyeshadow palette from Dior. It's the Backstage Smoky Essentials. And I feel like this is the perfect palette to take for travel. It has shades I use a lot and I don't want to be carrying around multiple palettes, so this is perfect and it fits really nicely in that bag. I will actually just put this back with my other makeup that I keep in there for now. It's going to be colder than I originally thought, so I think I need to bring a light jacket, and I'm debating on either bringing this leather jacket or this trench. I don't know. I feel like my outfits don't really match to either, but I feel like I still need it. I don't know, guys, help. I do have like sweaters, but I feel like that's not enough, and I feel like I do need something more than that. It doesn't really matter weight-wise, but I do need to bring one. Okay, so first I'll show you guys what is in my personal item. This is her. She's gorgeous. She's pink. She's cutesy. So since I have type 1 diabetes, I do bring all of my diabetes stuff in my personal item, which kind of sucks because I technically don't need it on the plane. But if something happens to my checked bag, like if I don't have my checked bag anymore at the end of the flight, and then I lose everything. So I have to make sure everything's with me just in case. So I have my diabetes stuff. I have my Dexcom sensors. I have an extra Omnipod for my insulin pump. I also have all of my Omnipods. This is way more than I need for 10 days, but I have to bring extra because it's not something I can just buy if I'm missing it. And then same with my contacts. I have like a lot of contacts in here because I wear dailies. So I just put my contacts in with my other diabetes stuff. And I have syringes, and I have nasal powder for if I have an emergency low blood sugar, which hopefully doesn't happen. And I have my regular diabetes bag. I have my glasses, wet wipes. Oh, I'm so excited to take these tonight. So these are sleep melatonin gummies. And since my flight's at 10:35, I want to take these and just try to get as much sleep as I can. I do have a hard time falling asleep on planes or just like new places in general, but this might help. I have some scrunchies, socks, just in case I want to take my shoes off on the plane because I'm not wearing socks with my shoes. I'm actually wearing heels and a skirt because I want to be upgraded to first class. I heard that if you dress nice, you're more likely to be upgraded, so I'll try. I also have all of my chargers in here. I have converters for when I'm there since they have different outlets. So I'll put my MacBook in this bag, and it actually has a convenient side pocket. It has padding on it since I don't have a case, which I probably should have a case for it, but whatever. Okay, in my carry-on, I have shoes. I have these Golden Goose sneakers, which these are the only sneakers I'm bringing. They're super sparkly, and these are great because they match with dressy outfits too. I used some packing cubes here to make it easier. I put my underwear and my bras in this one and socks in this one. And here I have 2 pairs of jeans. I have blue jeans, black jeans, and also crop tops, like this lace one, polka dot blue, and basic black colors. I definitely overpacked those, but you know what? They're light, so it's fine, and I just want to have options when I'm there. I also have my bathing suits. Again, it will be cold, so... Oh yeah, I didn't even mention this. We're going to Tenerife in the middle of the trip. So on Tuesday, after I get there, we're going to Tenerife for 4 days at an all-inclusive. So that's why I'm bringing bathing suits. I have 2 patterned ones, black and brown. And I also have this really nice sweater that I think matches with a lot of dresses and skirts. Good neutral option to bring. I'm bringing slippers because I like to wear them around the house. And in this packing cube, I just have some athletic wear, leggings, and sports bras. And this side pocket, I have 4 glucose tabs for my low blood sugar, which my mom got me at Walmart. Thank you, Mom. And then I have a big hair scrunchie. I like to wear these. I'll show you. They're very nice and soft, perfect for like sleep, and it doesn't damage your hair. So I like this one. And then I also have a little, or it's not little, I have a hairbrush. Oh, that was beautiful. Okay, so that's everything in my carry-on. I don't have any liquids in there. I saved the liquids for my checked bag, so I'll show you guys what's in here. I have 2 side pockets. I'm bringing 1 sheet mask, just face mask, just in case I want to do a little spa night. Bringing macro mini bars, and this is the face mask. It's the Medicube pink collagen gel masks. These are so good. I got them on TikTok Shop, and they actually work really well, and they're like nice and thick, and yeah. And in this pot, and here I have PJs, I have some tops, as well as these very nice shoes. I love these. They're from Aldo. They're pretty old. Definitely don't sell this anymore, but these are perfect because they're easy to walk in, but they're also dressy because I love wearing heels. Like, it doesn't, like, I will wear heels even if it's a little bit uncomfortable, but these are actually really comfortable. So these are the heels that I'm bringing. I have 2 toiletry bags, this one and this one. So I'll show you guys what's in here. The first one is a hanging one, which is great for the bathroom. But I basically just have like my toothbrush, I have a razor, perfume. I bought this mini lotion that is a tanning lotion, so we'll see if that works. I've never used it, but it's by a tannologist. My favorite soap, just mini versions of everything I use. My lotion, loofah, micellar water. So that's that bag. And this black one has bigger items in it. I have mouthwash. I don't even know if I need this, but I don't know. Sunscreen, curling products. I don't have mini versions of this, so I use this after the shower. So I'll just bring it, and they're not even full. And dry shampoo. So those go there, and this spot is for my makeup bag, but I still have to put on my makeup, so that will stay out just for a little bit. And this side, I have my robe, and I have like all my clothes. I'm bringing skirts, a couple short dresses, longer dresses, and some fun tops. I'm bringing this Trader Joe's bag for Tenerife, so when we're at the resort, I just can put my like sunscreen and other essentials in here. And I'm also bringing this yellow purse, which in here, storing my jewelry, this gold bangle, these sunnies, and last but not least, oh, that was a fan, because of course. And actually this fan is a gift from Alex. I want to show you guys this top. It's so cute. This is actually my mom's. Like, she wore this. I just feel like this screams European vacation. I didn't plan outfits for each day, but a lot of my clothes, I know that I can make outfits out of them, so it's okay. But I didn't go all out and like plan every outfit for every occasion. So I don't even know if I will end up wearing this, but it's so cute. Okay, so I do have to leave really soon, so I will be taking a shower now and doing my makeup and drying my hair, so I'll catch you guys. So this is the airport fit, wearing a black tank, this black cardigan, and a silky skirt with pointed heels, and these are easy to walk in, but I do feel dressed nicely, but I like to dress nice at the airport sometimes. This is a cute, comfortable, but also like dressy fit. Also have my Coach crossbody shoulder bag. I actually did not do my makeup and I didn't wash my hair. I did shower, but I left it the same because I realized that on the plane, it's going to get messed up anyway. When I wake up from my sleep, if I sleep, it's always messed up. So I'm going like this. This is the full fit with the shoes. Okay, so I'm about to head out. Everything's zipped up, packed, ready to go. And we're off to Madrid. Bye, room. See you in 10 days. Timo? Hey, what a good dog. Yay! Are you going to miss me?
No potem już coraz gorzej. No, chyba, że sobie...
Are you going to miss me?
Mhm. Wiemy to?
What
the fuck?
I didn't even say bye to Victor.
No, call him
My own brother.
right now.